A convenient feature of Guardian is that its clip and cover components are reusable. This means that it can be removed and reinstalled multiple times, quickly and easily. If maintenance on a component in an array is necessary, the mesh can be removed to allow access and can be placed back into position using the exact same Guardian clips. To do so, slide the cover up and pull the clip away from the Guardian cap. Slide the cap off of the clip and unhook the clip from beneath the module return flange. Be sure to hang on to these parts. It may be helpful to carry a small box or pouch to keep them in during the process. Once the service is complete, place the mesh back into position and reinstall the Guardian caps around the array. It is not at all necessary to install each Guardian in the exact same position around the array that it was previously in, so long as the general requirements of placement are still met. About 3 feet apart along a side, within 3 to 5 inches on each side of an array corner, and at the center of a 4-inch overlap of the mesh.